Everyone says jeans are casual, but let's be honest, most people just look lazy. The truth is that jeans can be one of the most elegant pieces in your wardrobe, if you know what you're doing. But if your go-to is skinny jeans, we need to have a little style intervention. In 2025, we're flipping the denim script. No more sloppy silhouettes or predictable pairings. We're talking runway-level polish with actual comfort. Let's level up. Number 1. The elevated dark wash denim. Start off with a style move that turns heads without trying too hard. The elevated dark wash denim trick. These aren't just any jeans. They're the sophisticated secret weapon hiding in plain sight. Dark wash, high-rise, straight-leg jeans with a slight front crease are the closest thing denim gets to a tailored trouser. They slim the silhouette, elongate the legs, and quietly exude polish. What sets the 2025 version apart is the structure. It's firm enough to hold shape all day, yet soft enough to move with ease. Skip the distressed details and look for clean hems and subtle fading. Nothing overly processed. Layer them with a cream silk blouse for texture contrast and a soft glow effect that bounces light onto the face. Add a sharp-shouldered blazer in camel, ivory, or powder blue for that power meets poise finish. Pointed toe slingbacks or sleek loafers ground the look with elegance and edge. Skip the belt unless it's structured leather in rich tones like oxblood or deep mocha, colors that elevate rather than interrupt. This pairing doesn't just whisper sophistication, it announces it. The result is a look that says authority, refinement, and confidence, all while wearing jeans. A quiet flex that never tries too hard, but always delivers. Number 2. Wide leg jeans. Wide leg, high-waisted jeans have officially taken over the power seat in 2025. Think of them as the love child of tailored trousers and classic denim, with all the drama and none of the discomfort. The silhouette is crisp and commanding, with just the right amount of swish when walking, making every hallway feel like a runway. The high waist cinches in just the right place, giving that sculpted look without sacrificing comfort. These jeans don't shout for attention, they own it quietly, like a boss who's already signed the deal before entering the room. To balance the volume below, a body-skimming turtleneck in soft, contemporary neutrals adds just the right amount of refinement. Colors like butter yellow, stone grey, or muted lavender bring freshness without overpowering. Add a croc-embossed leather belt to define the waist. It's structured, sharp, and subtly luxurious. Square toe heels or sleek kitten boots ground the outfit with poise, offering height and polish without teetering. For an unexpected style twist, attach a silk scarf or vintage brooch to your bag strap. It's a small move, but it transforms the entire vibe. Elegant, curated, and just the right amount of old money meets downtown Paris. Number 3. White jeans without the fear factor. White jeans in 2025 aren't just for fashion daredevils anymore. They're smart, wearable, and surprisingly forgiving. Thanks to upgraded stretch denim that's fully opaque and designed to move with the body, the fear factor is officially gone. No more standing stiff like a statue or constantly checking for transparency. These are sleek, structured, and ready to play in the big leagues. Go for wide leg or straight leg cuts to add that air of relaxed elegance without losing shape or structure. Pair them with a fine knit or lightweight cashmere sweater in tones like transcendent pink or powder blue, colors that feel delicate but elevated, like soft lighting for your whole outfit. Nude flats or ballet-inspired heels keep the look grounded and feminine without tipping into overly delicate. Add a structured mini top-handle bag in metallic silver or pastel mint for a modern, playful twist that catches the eye without competing. Here's the secret styling cue. Choose warm-toned whites over stark, bright ones. Ivory, cream, or eggshell softens the look, making it feel intentional and elevated rather than clinical. It's not about being pristine, it's about being polished with zero stress. Number 4. The quiet luxury denim vest set. The denim vest set is having a moment, and it's not the Wild West fantasy you might be picturing. In 2025, it's all about quiet luxury, refined tailoring, matching denim tones, and just enough edge to make it interesting. The modern set features a structured denim vest paired with coordinating high-waisted jeans in the same wash. But the real magic happens in the contrast, pairing this sharp silhouette with softer textures and subtle shine. Layer a satin or silk camisole underneath the vest in shades like sky blue, champagne, or butter yellow. These light-catching tones instantly elevate the denim and add softness without dulling the sophistication. Statement earrings. Nothing oversized, but something with architectural lines or a vintage feel bring just the right amount of drama. Footwear stays clean and minimal with mules or block-heeled sandals, keeping things balanced and grounded. And here's the insider move. Loop a thin gold chain belt right over the vest. It adds gentle waist definition without breaking the structure of the outfit. The look whispers wealth, style, and confidence. No logos, no fuss, just seriously elevated denim done the modern way. Number 5. The cropped jean. Cropped jeans in a slim, straight cut are the ultimate "I woke up like this" move, except every detail is quietly calculated. They hit that sweet spot between effortlessness and precision, giving just enough ankle to feel fresh without screaming, trying too hard. In 2025, they're sharper, more tailored, and designed to hold their shape while still being wearable all day. Start with a boxy white button-down, half-tucked, for that undone but done feel. It adds structure without stiffness and plays perfectly against the cropped silhouette. Drape a sharp-shouldered blazer over your shoulders, not worn, just casually perched. It's a styling trick that instantly reads chic. For extra dimension, go for a pop color like ray flower yellow or minty green. Unexpected tones that bring personality without overpowering the look. Finish with pointed ankle boots or sleek slingbacks that elongate the leg and add just the right amount of polish. And here's the tiny detail that pulls the whole outfit together. Rolled sleeves paired with 2 minimalist bangles or a slim metal cuff. That little wrist moment changes the energy completely. Suddenly, it's not just jeans and a shirt, it's a whole vibe. Effortless, elevated, and unmistakably current. Number 6. Denim midi skirts. The denim midi skirt is back, and in 2025, she's grown up. Forget the bulky, frayed versions from the past. This time, it's all about clean lines, dark wash or black denim, and a sleek front slit that adds just the right amount of edge. It's the modern answer to the classic pencil skirt, but cooler and way more wearable. Tuck in a structured tee or a fitted turtleneck to keep the silhouette sharp and elevated. Add tall, smooth leather boots, black or tan, for that streamlined, city-sleek finish. Then layer with a long trench in mocha mousse or salted sage for a refined, neutral palette that whispers elegance. Want a subtle statement? Use a silk scarf as a belt. Tuck it through the loops, let it drape slightly, and you've just added dimension, texture, and color in one move. It's effortless polish, the kind of outfit that turns heads without trying too hard. Number 7. Denim on denim. Denim on denim gets a bad rap, but in 2025, it's one of the chicest moves in the fashion playbook, when styled with intention. The secret is contrast. It's all about mixing washes and playing with texture to create depth without chaos. Think soft, fluid chambray on top, paired with deep indigo wide-leg jeans that are structured and crisp, with absolutely zero distressing. This combo feels effortless, but looks editorial. Anchor the outfit with neutral pumps or clean white boots to keep the base sharp and modern. Then, throw on a trench coat in a rich tone like artist's ochre or olive. Just enough colour to warm up the denim and pull the look together. Accessories should be sleek and unfussy. A matte leather tote, delicate gold hoops, and a classic watch. Keep the drama low, the polish high, and let the denim do the talking. It's refined, elevated, and totally Milan ready. Number 8. Jeans and jewel tones. One of 2025's most unexpectedly elegant combos is denim paired with rich jewel tones. It's a styling shortcut that feels luxe without trying too hard. Think emerald, sapphire, or ruby, but in elevated fabrics like velvet, satin, or soft draped jersey. The texture adds depth, while the colour instantly makes denim look intentional and dressed up. Start with medium wash mum jeans, structured, high-waisted, and relaxed without being sloppy. Then add an emerald green velvet wrap top that hugs in all the right places and adds that subtle glow jewel tones do so well. Finish with delicate heels, metallic silver for a little shimmer, or nude suede for a softer finish. A small clutch in sunset coral adds contrast without clashing. For the final touch, add just one piece of sparkle. A crystal brooch on your lapel or a rhinestone hair clip. Just one. It's about elegance, not a prom revival. Clean, bold, and quietly dazzling. Number 9. The weekend denim. Who says you can't wear jeans to brunch and still look like you're ready to sip rosé in the south of France? The trick is pairing casual denim with luxurious, refined textures that instantly elevate the vibe. Think rich but chill, because in 2025, you don't need to sacrifice comfort for style. Start with a relaxed fit pair of jeans, giving you that laid-back, effortless look. Bonus points if you roll the cuffs for extra charm. Pair it with a lightweight cashmere crewneck in a soft butter yellow. It's cozy, bright, and instantly makes any outfit feel elevated without overdoing it. For shoes, opt for suede or nubuck flats. Chic but practical, giving off that effortless elegance. Now here's the pro-level move. Drape a trench coat or blazer over your shoulders, even if it's warm out. It's all about the energy you project. You might not even need to wear it, but the way it hangs will make you look like you just stepped off a yacht. Simple, chic, and effortlessly luxurious. Final tips to elevate any jeans look. Avoid distressing. Rips and frays instantly cheapen a look, unless you're deliberately going for grunge, which we're not. Choose structure. Stiff denim holds shape better, creates clean lines, and always looks more refined. Tailoring matters. Even jeans can be tailored. A perfect hem or a cinched waist can completely change the game. Neutral palette equals instant elegance. Stick to ivory, navy, camel, olive, and charcoal as your base tones. Texture is your best friend. Think cashmere, satin, structured cotton, and leather to contrast with denim's ruggedness. So no more blaming jeans for your outfit feeling meh. It's not the denim, it's the styling. And now that you've got the formulas, there's literally no excuse to wear boring jeans again. Whether you're going for quiet luxury, casual elegance, or off-duty glam, you can make denim the chicest thing in your wardrobe. Drop your favourite combo in the comments, and if you're secretly about to go clean out your jean drawer, I fully support that. See you next time with more style secrets.